Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the Florida CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. The market has really been all over the place today. After initial jobless claims came out, the S&P 500 were up 12, and then with comments out of the ECB, we quickly dropped 25 S&P 500 points in the span of about 10 minutes pre-open. The futures likewise have been all over the place. We've touched as high as 2060 and we were as low as 1905. In fact, we were at 1905 when the market was 15 points in S&P terms off of its high. So really a big range in volatilities and in the S&P in general. In trading, I find it very interesting that we're not seeing much of the upside buying in the second and third term, which we typically see at this point in the cycle over the last several months. As a result, volatilities are starting to decrease in September and October. We haven't had any big buyers. The big strangle swap buyer hasn't come. Big upside call buyer hasn't come. It'll be interesting to see if those orders are just late arriving, not liking the current future levels, would rather put them on at lower future levels, or if there's simply less long-term concern about the situation in Europe and we have less buyers of upside calls above 25. There was one buyer in September today buying upside calls above 25, but they did it in a vertical fashion. They bought the September 25-32 call spread. They paid 92.5 cents, 10,000 times. The other very big trade we had was the August 15 puts. Now with the VIX around 19 right now and those $4 out of the money, there was a seller of 20,000 of those at 7.5 cents. So a couple of big orders, but overall we've been lacking in the giant orders that have been typical of the last 3 months. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1, Option Monster.